Um, Hi, folks. I'm preparing this video for MyMathLab Navigation. You will see most of the information that's required for MyMathLab. So MyMathLab is here on the left menu on Canvas course. It's the platform for you to read the textbook, watch the course videos, practice problems, and do your homework assignments, do your quizzes. Sometimes you will have some exams, part of exams given in there. So it's the platform that you have most of the resources for the course. So how do we access that one? First, let me show you how to register. I'm going to show in a limited way because I only have the test student version. So this is the student view. So you go to MyMathLab Mastering, and then in here you open MyMathLab, and then it will ask you for user agreement. You agree that one, you accept, and then it will ask you to create a username and password. If you have a username and password for Pearson before, then you can use that. Otherwise, you can create one by using your school email. It's a simple process. And so once you create this username, it's going to ask you an access code. So the access code, I have to now move out of this. So this is how you create your account. And then it will ask you for an access code. But you all do this through Canvas, not from the actual Pearson website. It should be done through Canvas. So from Canvas, let me just leave the student view. Now, there are multiple ways to find the access code. One, I'm going to put like MyMathLab Navigation page in here, in which you will find the access code. Number one. Number two, you can find it, of course, in the syllabus. You can click on the syllabus. Under the syllabus, once you minimize this PDF, it's also in the PDF copy as well. If you go to resources, under the resources, you see highlighted letters in here. This is the access code that you will use. So you don't have to pay for anything. It's going to ask you to pay, but you don't have to. It's already paid with the tuition. It's included in the fees. So you will use this access code. And this paper includes the instructions how to simply connect to MyMathLab through Canvas. So it's exactly the list of instructions that I'm going through right now. So you're going to use that access code. It's the same, and then you can find it on the Start Here page. So it's all so that you will be in the course. So you're set up, you're done, you're going to be in the course. So once you go in the course, let me just open that to show you. Once you go in the course, you're going to see the menu at the left side. Of course, you can click on assignments to see all the assignments, graded assignments. It's going to be open once the semester starts. And then next, you have the study plan. You can go to study plan to practice. So how? You go to study plan, you go to all chapters, and you choose a section to practice. Let's say, for example, you want to practice chapter 3, simplifying algebraic expressions. You click on that, and these problems are the problems that are given from the book. So the nice thing is you can practice as many times as you like. You can practice, and then you can practice. Just ask to. You can solve a similar one. For example, let me just check this 3.1.5. You can let's say try this problem. It says just combine these terms. So it's like 2x, x, 3x minus 6x. So it's going to be negative 3x. And just check that. And I did this one, and I can close this, for example, and I can do a similar question. See, it's a great platform to practice. The study plan. Now, the study plan can be accessed from different places, but I want to say the e-text can be first. There are two ways. One, accessible resources. This includes PowerPoints and the e-text book. So you can use this accessible resources to access the PowerPoint slides of the course plus the ebook. However, there's another item here, chapter contents. That includes this as well. If you click on chapter contents, let's say that week's content starts by 1.2. So I go to chapter 1, I go to 1.2. So that includes 1, the e-text. So you can go to chapter, the textbook chapter of that section, like that includes that section. So in the e-text, this will take you to the section 1.2. You can look at the study plan to practice problems. See, this is just directly those problems listed in there. And then the most important part, in 1.2, you will have the video presentation. This is really important. It's not just a supplementary video. it's going to include a complete video of the section. So you can click on this one, and you see it's the writer, and it's 15 minutes, and it's going to be examples like objective A, B, C, D. It's really organized well, and you can go through this video. This is a great kind of like short, because our classes will be 50 minutes, so it's going to be 15 minutes, and you can go through the content of this section in this video. It's covered fully. So this is, I'll ask you to watch these as well. Plus, I'll ask you to go through the PowerPoints, which is our basically class notes. So this is simply all about MyMathLab. If you need anything, if you have any questions, just please let me know. Don't forget, additional to this, in Canvas, you can see our class notes. You can see our class notes. It's going to be under the modules. Like, for example, for week 1, I started to work on it. I'm ready, but I'm putting them together. You have section 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, which are the PowerPoints. Plus, I'm going to be putting the class recordings. So whenever we do a class on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or like in that class, or just depending on the class, it can be Tuesday, Thursday. But right now our class is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So the class recordings will be saved in Microsoft Stream. And if you go through this video, you will see how to access them. So you have all the resources in hand. I mean, I wish you a great semester. I hope this video is clear. So please let me know if you have any questions about MyMathLab, how to access it. But this is mainly how you access MyMathLab. Don't forget, you're going to use the access code to access it. You'll create an account. You'll use the access code. It can be found in the syllabus. It can be found in the document within the syllabus. Plus, I'm going to put here an item, a page, which will say MyMathLab Navigation, including this video. So have a great weekend. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Thanks for watching. Bye.